He found a second use for the rivet. No, it's not to join metal sheets. It all starts by giving the rivet a gentle heat up. The result? A plumbing masterpiece. It's one of those tricks every plumber should know, but they'll know now. And once they do, they'll put it to work right away, because it speeds things up and solves a repair issue that drives many crazy. Simple, clever, and it works like magic.